Hello everyone, my name is Mina Sabzian. I am a graphic designer. Today we want to learn together how we can make a realistic shadow for these street lights. We can make it in many different ways, but I want to show you that which one looks better. For this matter, I brought this picture from the internet. I have downloaded it, and we can see how we can do it. First of all, make a new layer. This is the way that which we can do it. And we can activate the brush tool and make the blend mode for overlay. And we are coming here, and we can take a shift key also to do a straight line. Then we can decrease the opacity of it. We can go to filter and give the Gaussian blur. The value of maybe 38. But as you see that here we can see, if somebody sees it, can really understand that is Photoshop effect. For that matter, we don't want to do in this way. For that, I'm deleting the new layer, and again I'm making one new layer. I'm naming it shadow. So I'm coming here and I'm choosing rectangle marquee tool. I'm making here a rectangle. However you want, if you want to shadow be longer or smaller or a little wider, but I think that is because it should be look with the help of a spacebar. You can also change the position of your selection. I think that this much is good. Yes, this much is good, and now we are going to fill it with the help of gradient. I'm going here, I'm going to basic, I'm choosing this one, the first one, or second, third one, no difference. You can open the gradient editor. This is here is color stop is white, and here we can double click on it and choose the white again. And here for the opacity, we are going to give the value of 0 and hit OK. After that, we are going here, we are going to make a gradient for this selection. You can make it from wherever you want, but I'm thinking that till here is okay. And with the help of Control D, deselect your selection, and with the help of Control T, make a selection of this and right click. You can choose the perspective or skew. I'm choosing perspective here in this case, and I'm going to stretch it down to look better for this. And with this, we can enter to accept the changes. I think it should be a little bit up. With the help of arrow key, you can change this position again and again, enter key or this. Now we are going to filter and filter gallery, blur, and Gaussian blur. This value is too much. I want to have a nice effect here. Yes. I think 14 is better. Now you can see we can play with the opacity here also. You can see how it looks more natural when we use the gradient for it. Now we are going to use it, this effect, for each and every of these street lights. And now I'm going here and just with the help of Alt key, I'm taking this effect here, but making with the help of Control key, I'm right clicking and flipping horizontally and fixing it with this lamp. Again, I'm getting this for here, but it's big for it. With the help of Control key, right click and perspective. Again, we can make it smaller to look better and suitable for this light. Maybe smaller. Hit the Enter key or this sign here. Then we are going to take again this and we are putting for this another light. Control T. And again, activate the perspective. Make it smaller. Again, this one for this. It's better with the help of arrow key to fix it, and Control T again and perspective, make it more smaller. We can select from the correct direction, which they can be fixed for the side of them. With the help of arrow key, I'm making it a little down. And again with Alt key. Oops. When we are facing like this and we are not able to know that which, because I didn't change the name of these layers. To finding it, it's better to hold and press the Control key to know which one you are going to choose. It's better for understanding that which layer you are going to choose. With the help of arrow key, you can nudge it a little bit up and down. And so on. One more here. And one more here. We can choose all of them with the help of Shift key. And we can decrease the value of opacity here till you think that this effect is okay for you. Now you can see how we were able to make a very nice and realistic shadow. You can use this shadow effect for each and every of your project in your design, and you will it can be very helpful and it will look very natural. We are in the end of this lesson also, but we learned together very useful technique in Photoshop. I wish that you like this technique and you are going to use in your artwork. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please like the video and share it with your friend, and subscribe the channel to support me, and please hit the bell button. Whenever I'm uploading new video, you can be informed to watch it. Thank you so much for watching this lesson with me, and see you in next time. Bye.